That's beautiful, man. Look at the houses down below. I'm in awe. Oh, even with the sunset. Oof. Wow. Oi! Why is it doing that? Why is it? Come on, mouse actually just stopped disconnecting. There we go. Viewer speed set. And low budget traffic, Singapore 126. 5 nautical final runway is 1 for left, final call, Lumpur. Autopilot disconnect. Ground altitude set. Winds off the eastern from my right direction. Play somewhere better. Stop talking.
1000.
Checked and stable. We don't want to be over crabbing as the winds aren't that much.
$500. 400. $100 above. 300. Minimum.
Continue.
200. $100. 50. 40.
Right slope.
30. 20. 10. 5.
Speed brakes up. Reverse green and decel. Okay, we got a round of applause in the back. I can't see the speed, but 60 knots, reverses disengage.
Ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated with the seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is off. Please take care when opening the overhead compartments and remember to take all your belongings with you. It's been our pleasure serving you on this flight. Thank you for flying Singapore Airlines, a member of Star Alliance.
Cabin crew, doors to listen.
Not yet, man. Alright, flaps up. Spoilers, disarm. Lumpur traffic, Singapore 126, vacated runway 14 left via Alpha 6, taxiing to Bay Bravo 13 via Alpha 6, Alpha Tango 1 to Bay Bravo 13, Lumpur traffic. Slow down there, pal. We don't have places to go.